What is going on, you guys? I hope you're all having an embraceful day. Today, I'm kind of going to be taking a break from the Rocket Bunny kit just for this weekend and the next weekend. So the next two videos that you're going to see will be nothing related, not that I know of the Rocket Bunny kit. As many of you guys know, we did reach 5,000 subscribers, and I said I was going to be giving away the Rocket Bunny FRS V1 splitter or lip, whatever you guys want to call it. It's right here, sitting down right here, but I do need to clean it up a bit, fill in most of these holes, probably fill them all. Fill in this crack that's right here on this is all ABS, and of course sand it all down and get it painted black. Make sure I get it ready for the new winner, which we're going to be announcing in this video a little bit later on down the road. Before we get started with doing the body work on this FRS lip, I do want to mention I did end up going to go pick up 2 sheets of ABS plastic. As you guys can tell, there's 2 of them right here. They're super huge. I ended up buying them from Los Angeles, called ePlastics, the company that I bought them from, because here locally there's no company that actually sells them. The only issue was that they only open on Monday through Friday, which was from 7 to 5 p.m. and I get out of work at 4:30, so I would have not had any time to go pick them up. And how did I get a hold of these? These are super huge sheets, very long sheets. These are 48 by 96 sheets, if I'm not mistaken. It's 0.125 inches thick, which isn't really that thick. I feel like I should have even gone a little bit thicker, but I mean, there's still carbon fiber that's going to go over it, so it's going to create a little bit more of a thickness, get it a little bit harder, more sturdier. But Sergio ended up picking these up for me. A lot of you guys might not be familiar with them because you guys haven't really seen him in the channel. He lives over there in Los Angeles, which you guys will see him next weekend. Maybe, I don't know, he's working, so I don't know if you guys are going to see him or not, because we're going to be doing something special to the car I've been waiting to do for so long, so stay tuned to that. But he ended up picking these up. He did me a favor. He was in the area of San Diego, and he took them, he put them on top of his TC, which looked ridiculous. I'm blown away on how he did that. So he ended up picking these up for me, and I went on Friday to go pick these up late at night. I got there like at 11, since he was leaving to Las Vegas, because he lives in Las Vegas as well. So it was late at night. I went to go pick these up. We put them in my mom's SUV Escape. So we put those on top, strapped them down, and I brought them home Saturday morning. I got here back on Saturday morning, which I was exhausted. I had to pull over a couple times and sleep on the road because I was tired. I had woken up that day on Friday at 5:30 in the morning, went to work. From there, got home, and then I left over there. So I was running on a little bit of sleep. I do have the 2 sheets of ABS plastic, which we're going to be making the splitter for the car. Of course, once we make the splitter for the ABS plastic, we're going to be wrapping it in carbon fiber, real carbon fiber. But I don't want to just ruin these, get the templates from this, because as many of you guys know, I did make the template out of cardboard right here, which isn't like perfect. As you guys can tell, the edges aren't perfect. So we're going to be making it out of this poly cardboard like material, which is a little bit stiffer. I picked this up at Home Depot. So once we get the shape out of this, we're going to transfer it onto here, and we're going to cut the shape out of this. That way we don't have to ruin the ABS plastic and ruin all that work going all the way to Los Angeles and picking these up from Sergio. Now, why am I just using this to make a template rather than this? Because ABS plastic is a little bit harder, as you guys can tell with the knife. It's a little bit harder to cut the edges or the whole entire ABS sheet. With this, it's going to be a lot easier to trim it down. Look, as you guys can tell, look how easy that was to cut, and it creates a perfectly clean line. So this is what we're going to be using to make the template out of. I should have got a longer sheet, which is a little bit more expensive. This isn't really that expensive. It cost maybe about $18. These sheets were about $60 a piece. So I'd rather ruin this and buy another sheet of this if I mess it up or whatnot. But this is a perfect material to use if you're trying to make a splitter, a template out of a splitter. So we might be doing that today as well, along with fixing up the FRS lip. Are able to hear me because the compressor is on, and that's kind of a subject that I kind of want to talk about right now that I'm doing bodywork stuff. The reason it kind of takes me a long time for me to do bodywork stuff, sanding things and whatnot, is because the compressor takes a long time to build up the pressure inside the tank in order for me to use. This is my second compressor that I've bought in, and it's not like the high quality industrial compressors, which is why really it takes me a long time to wait for it to build up. Then I gotta start sanding. Once the compressor starts losing air and the tool doesn't have enough pressure to keep sanding and keep doing the work. I gotta take a break, wait for that to build up, wait for the compressor to build up, and then continue. So I kind of want to touch subject on that. Maybe I should start investing in a industrial compressor. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have industrial compressors? Should I just stick with this and, you know, wait for it to build up the air and keep sanding? Let me know which one you guys have, what kind of compressors you guys have, for those of you that actually do the bodywork stuff and things like that. Let me know, because I think it's just time. It's time to kind of upgrade to an industrial compressor. I mean, it does the work. The work is, I mean, it's fine. It's just the waiting time that really hurts. But either way, I mean, I'm almost done sanding all the paint off. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. Just trying to get rid of as much paint as possible. That way we can put the primer and then start doing the paint. So don't mind the compressor in the background while we wait for the compressor to build up its air. I'm gonna start working on remaking the template for the splitter that I'm gonna have under this lip. I've learned a thing or two while trying to work with this poly cardboard type stuff. What I've learned is it's pretty easy to cut when you're cutting vertically, but if you're cutting horizontally, it's a lot harder to try and get perfectly straight lines. So right here, all along right here, it's not like really perfect. Like, I'm not really satisfied on how it looks right here. When it's coming down on these edges right here on both sides, I'm really happy how it turned out, because like I mentioned, it's a lot easier because the ridges, there's a whole bunch of ridges going this way all the way across. So if you're cutting into a ridge, it makes it a little bit like waviness or something like that. You won't understand unless you work with this type of stuff, which I've kind of started to learn more and more about it while I'm working with it. So maybe it would be a lot easier. Yeah, correct. Just lay right there. Perfectly fine. So maybe it might be a lot easier just to use a Dremel and start trimming it off with the Dremel. But I've already cut into this one all the way along. I haven't really completely taken it off. So I might use the other side, flip it around, use the other side on that side, and try and cut it with the Dremel. See if that's gonna actually help and work out a lot better than cutting it with a razor. So for the most part, this lip is pretty much all done, ready to get primered up and then get its first layer of paint. But before that, I want to fill in all these holes with epoxy. So I'm going to tape up the back and start filling it in with epoxy. That way it actually fills in the holes, and you guys, whoever gets the lip, won't have to worry about, if they want to push out the lip more, they won't have to worry about showing these holes showing up in the front of the lip. So it'd be better just to take care of them right now. That way the winner doesn't have to worry about it. So let's get those holes filled in, and then we'll start primering it up. And then we'll start getting a freshly coat of paint of black. So you probably can't see me, it's kind of a little dark already, but I got the edges trimmed off. As you guys can tell, it looks a lot better when I was using the Dremel. It cleaned it up real nice. The only thing that I do want to add onto it, which I'll probably continue tomorrow, I kind of want to get these indentations perfect, this side and this side as well. That's where the lip of the bumper kind of like has its own indentations on the NIA lip, as you guys can tell right there. So I kind of want to make those a little bit more aggressive, push them in a little bit more, and make those end plates kind of stick out a little bit more. So I'll probably continue this till tomorrow so I can see a little bit more. But tomorrow is a work day, so probably when I get out of work, I'll probably continue the video. So I got all the holes plugged up on the lip. I just gave it a final wipe down right now with the acetone. Now all I'm gonna do now is give it its first coat of primer, and then we should be able to give it some paint. got the splitter all primered up, as you guys can tell, and it looks really good. It looks really smooth. The only thing is now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry, maybe like approximately 20 minutes, give it a quick little sand down, wet sand, and we'll give it its first coat of black paint, and it should be good. We should be announcing the winner once this splitter has a fresh coat of black paint. So I was about to start painting the splitter, and I kind of realized it kind of looks really good matte, like in a matte finish. It looks really good. So I think I'm just gonna wait till I pick the winner, which I'm gonna be picking the winner right now, and I'll see if he wants to keep the matte look or if he wants a painted black look. So depending on whatever that person wants, the winner wants, I'll be either leaving it like this, shipping it like this, and they can paint it whatever color they want, or I can paint it black for them. It's up to them. So let's find out who the winner is. So the way that I'm going to be picking the winner for this splitter is I'm going to be using a online website which is called YouTube Comment Picker. I found it on someone else that actually uses this. This is the first time that I actually use it. I've already kind of like tested it out right now to kind of see how it works. So if I click here, and I'm not going to be editing any of this out, so you guys can see that this is going to be like, I'm not choosing a specific person or anything like that. So all you have to do is put the URL right here, which I'll go to YouTube, my videos, this one, and like you guys like absolutely killed it. 75 likes, 63 comments. You guys are like freaking awesome. That's like I'm amazed. I'm like truly blessed. So I want to thank you guys, each and every single one of you that commented and whatnot. Like all your guys' support towards the videos and whatnot really mean a lot to me. So thank you guys so much. Continuing on right here, copy link, then we gotta go back over here and you put the link right here. Okay, paste, search. So it's actually only picking up 53 comments. Right here it actually says 63. So I guess it's gonna be 10 that's not gonna count. I don't know, but it says 53. So out of those 53, we'll see who's the winner. Hope you guys are ready. You guys are ready? Should I click it? What? Alright. Let's see. Dude, come on. Winner Neil Beggs says, love your work, starting to look nice, but dude, I hope you're not mad. It doesn't have the hashtag that I actually am looking for. Let me see if I can find his comment. Maybe he commented again. What was his name? I don't even remember his name. Neil Beggs. Let's see. Dude, you guys may have just gotten lucky because he didn't comment the hashtag. Neil Beggs. Nope. Nope, there's no hashtag, and I don't see any other comment that you've commented that says the hashtag. Nope. So I guess we're picking another winner. I'm sorry, Neil Beggs, but you didn't put the hashtag, and that's what I was looking for. So here we go again. Here we go for a second time. We're gonna pick another winner. Here we go. Better have the hashtag this time. Jeremy Lambit. I think I've actually even remember you sending me a message or something like that. I think I kind of like remember that name. But it says, good work, man. Can't wait to see it done. I'm almost done with mine too. And it does have the hashtag embrace yourself. So I'll be sending you a message shortly right now to give you all the details so you can give me your shipping information, your wherever you want me to ship the lip to you. So congrats Jeremy Lambit. And I mean, I just want to say thank you to each and every single one of you. Each and every single one of you that actually participated in the giveaway. And not only just the giveaway, but each and every single one of you that actually come back and watch every single video. It really truly does mean a lot to me. I'm sure there was more people than intended because of the giveaway, but still, I really do appreciate every single one of you. Thank you. So with the giveaway being done, that's primarily what I kind of wanted to really focus myself on, just getting the lip ready for the winner, which the winner was Jeremy Lambit, something like that. Sorry if I butcher your name and whatnot, but I am going to end the video right here. Even though we did get a little bit of work done on the splitter, I do want to make it a little bit more aggressive, kind of like how we made the cardboard template. I don't even know if you guys are able to see, but we are going to be working that maybe probably the next week, because the next week it's going to be something amazing. I'm actually going to finally go get my exhaust installed, and we're going to finally hear what that sounds like. But for the most part, that's where I'm going to end today's video, guys. I want to thank you guys, each and every single one of you that actually come back and watch the videos and support the videos. So thanks again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and embrace yourself.